Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So today I actually have a 180-degree box times 2. I had bought, Arlene had a sale, I want to say in November maybe, where she was having like half off on her boxes. So I had bought like maybe 4 and I already had one stashed. So I have like 5 unboxings. So I'm gonna do like 2 at a time so that I don't overwhelm you. And some of these items are gonna go in this giveaway that I'm gonna have. It's gonna end the end of January. So I'm going to post that sometime this week with all the rules and everything. But I'm still playing catch up, so if you watched my previous video, you will see why. So I'll have that linked above so you can see why I was off. So anyway, let's get into the box. Arlene, who's the owner and curator of these boxes, she does a tremendous job. She does birthday boxes, anniversary boxes, and then she does her monthly boxes. And she just, you never know what's going to be in it. She does like a theme. So every month could be a different theme. So I'm not even sure which boxes I'm opening because I said I just bought all the boxes that she had. So this looks like it could be a winter time, and it says, "Hello, beautiful." And I think boxes normally sell for maybe $50, and then she adds shipping. And but she was having, I said, like this half off sale, so there I went. So now we have herbal tea. This is, oh my God, it's cookies and cream. And I know everybody's getting hit with these winter storms, and Arizona is no exception. We're down to the 20s and 30s and maybe 50s and 60s during the day. So it is not fun here during the day anymore. We've been getting these cold things. You can't even keep your plants out. You got to put blankets on them. So it is cold here. So we got 2 cookies and creams, and this looks like jewelry. Oh my gosh, lots of jewelry. So we got these pretty bracelets, and these are definitely my colors. And again, we're leaving to go on vacation, and the dress that I'm going to be wearing on the plane actually kind of matches these colors. And then the other one is, I'm not sure if it's a necklace or a bracelet. So how are you guys doing? Are you getting hit with that weather? Because it is nasty. Oh, these look like they're different bracelets. Oh, these are pretty. Yes. So she definitely loaded us up with jewelry and tea. I've been drinking a lot of tea. So it looks like there was 3 tea bags. And, oh, this is the July 23 box. As I said, she was going way back there, emptying her stock. So I just bought and bought. And then this is a gift from the gods, and it's a nice makeup bag. And I just don't have anywhere to put everything. And I got the little foozles flying everywhere. And then we have by Izala Cooling Body Balm. And this will feel good on probably sunburned skin. And I do get sunburn quite easy. And I am going to stop you so I could rearrange and not drop everything all over the floor. Okay, sorry about that. And the next thing that we have is bubble bath salts in peach. Trying to smell good. Look at the size of this bag. So I bet you your bath will smell really good. So let me know below if you're a bath or a shower person. And I'm more of a shower person, but when I go away to like some of these nicer hotels, I will bring bath stuff because they usually have some big bathtubs. We don't have a real big bathtub here. And then we have an Earth Harbor, and this is Superfood Luminance Ampule. So I'm sure this is something for your skin, but it's all packaged up, and I just terrorize packaging. So I am not gonna open this right now. And what else do we have in? I'm not doing a really good job with these foozles, that's for sure. And we got our jewelry. And I didn't see, oh yeah, there are prices in here. So the bath salts, well, they're not prices, they're just what's in the box. So there isn't prices. The bonus gift was those beautiful bracelets, the pink and blue, but it doesn't have any prices. And then we got the bath salts, and we got the gift from the gods, the essential bag, and we have, and the cooling balm. And what else do we open? And the Earth Harbor ampoule, and that is a soothing glow, so that you put obviously on your face. Okay, so moving on. And then we have the Mineral Sports Sunscreen, nice size for travel. And then we have the Clab, and these are sun drops, and they're called E-Lab Sun Drops. Who says you need to fly to tropics to get a world-class tan? Harness the power of the sun anywhere with a bottle of the Lab Sun Drops. So what do you do with them? Simply mix sun drops with a lotion or oil of your choice and apply to your body like magic. Okay, so if you have any body lotion or body oil, you just mix a couple drops and then you're tan. Okay, that sounds fun. And then these things are just getting everywhere. We have a sand-free Turkish towel. Now that looks cool. So I'm not going to open it, but there is a picture of it. So I'm going to, maybe I'll take it on the trip. I know it weighs a lot, so I only get half the suitcase. But that looks really nice. So we got that. And then I think we have a snack. We have, Dennis left his phone at home, and of course it's raining. And then we have Shigrara sea salt plantain chips, but I'm definitely gonna try them. So in this box, I think that's it, besides all the foozles I dropped all over the floor. So we got the Turkish towel, which I thought was really nice, and it says you can kind of use it as a yoga mat. The makeup bag, the bubble bath salts, the sun drop things that sound really cool. We got actually 2 bracelets in that bag. The cooling balm, the body care sunscreen, and the Earth Harbor ampule, and the energy snacks. And so if you're new to my channel, thank you. I hope you liked it enough to subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you again. And let's get into the second box. So what was your favorite item in the first box? I'm going for the one bracelet set, and then this bracelet set, which is nice, is going to go in that giveaway. So keep watching for it. And now I'm going to do the switch. So we have the second box, and I'll pull out the flyer and see which month this is from. This is from August. It's the Relax, Refresh, and Rejuvenate. So that sounds like a really fun box. And it looks like the first thing might be a jewelry. Wow. Now I'm liking these. I can only wear like really lightweight earrings because my one ear ripped, but I'm really liking these. How fun. So hopefully they won't pull my ear down, but what do you think of those? Aren't those cute? Okay. And then we have Healing Quick Spark Your Bliss. Maybe I should read it because I'm kind of making up my own products here. The free bonus gift was the earrings and mask. Oh wow. Okay, so let's see what's in here. At first I thought it was a palette, but I don't think it's a palette. Okay, I got it open after struggles, and it actually looks like some kind of cards. So they look like they might be an affirmation card. I deserve a blissful, glass is half full, dance in the rain kind of life. And I absolutely love the lifestyle I am creating for myself. And then there's like more on the bottom. So they're kind of like an affirmation card. So that's kind of nice. And I'm trying to see where those fall in line on my little thing. I don't see it. So I haven't seen it, but I might come across it. And then we have the Eye Kit Trio by Rachel Couture, and it has an eyebrow pencil, liquid eyeliner, and mascara. Wow, that's nice. Look at how pretty the packaging is. And that is on here. So I did find that item. Ooh, rose scented self-warming steam eye mask, and I've been dying to try one of these, and in all the boxes I got, never got one. So that's what that is, the steam warming eye mask, and it's supposed to help with the wrinkles. And Smart Pods, Owl Pooey Passion Smart Pods, the smart dosage system for the perfect petties. Oh, I don't think I have ever heard of this. Wow. It looks like coffee. Oh, there goes that phone again. So let's read up on these. This is a fun self-care box. This is Smart Pods Petty Set. Enjoy this perfectly portioned petty set that will be a relaxing delight. The Smart Spa fragrance gives you a kiss of the Hawaiian Islands with its subtle floral notes and a pinch of sunny sweet teas. It's fresh, fruity, and warm like a tropical beach. You just don't know what you do with them. Okay, and then we have Mitchell and Peach. And this is a body souffle. So a nice body lotion. Liking that. I'm still trying to figure out the petty pie. Oh, and then we have tart cherry and hibiscus sparkling wellness soda. Tea. Oh, I'm gonna have to put that in the refrigerator. That looks good. And then, oh, we have the spatula for masks. Can't have too many of these. And there's more. And then the Earth Glow Refining Enzyme Mask. So that must go with the enzyme mask. I go, torturing the boxes. I just like to look. Their packaging inside is so cool. Look at that. I just love their packaging. And we have more foozles. Thank God I don't have a pet. The pet would be full of foozles. Ooh. Lily Bean gluten-free lemon scone mix. Well, that looks good. Okay, we're out of room. And then we have a book, New York Times bestseller. This Is Me, Loving the Person You Are Today by Chrissy Metz. And I can't say I've heard of this, but it'll be a nice plain read. And I think that's it, besides all the foozles. Can't wait to get rid of those. So what was your favorite item in this box? Again, we got the book. We got to make those the Earth Harbor mask. This might be my favorite because I have to figure out if you just dunk it in the water. Easy 4-step system, no mess. So yeah, I'm gonna go with these because these look fun. And the eye mask, because I've heard these are great. So that was really nice. So let me know what your favorite item in this box. And again, this was a great deal. So I have 3 more unboxings of this to go. And yeah, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell button and give me a thumbs up. And I'm going to be back with a lot more videos. So stay tuned. Have an awesome day.